such a pretty day to get the fuck out of Texas. Welcome back to my little corner of the world I call home, but it'll only be my little corner of the world for the next 12 hours because it's moving day, baby! And we are ready to go. We've sold everything that we needed to. Our mattress is packed up, like everything is ready to go, and I am ready to go. We've got all the boxes here, which you guys saw in the last vlog. And then we have like just all these little totes full of stuff that we think we'll need, like cleaning supplies, some pantry stuff. Obviously, like I want to travel with my professional light and my laptop and all that. The bedroom is all ready to go. We wrapped up the mattress, the box springs. This is like gonna be padding. I don't know why the lighting looks so weird, but we're gonna say bye to our beautiful little view of the lake, which has been so nice. But I never really show it because I just know you're not supposed to show your surroundings on the internet for safety and stuff. But finally, oh my gosh, guys, it's happening. Okay, we are back with the coffee and I'm gonna get ready. I don't know, I feel kind of weird. I don't know, like, obviously we left off at we're moving. I just want to get ready so I look a little presentable because I know, one, I'm sick, and two, I'm tired. Oh my god, I'm so sorry. It's obviously not the most ideal conditions to be moving under, but I mean, this move has been scheduled for weeks now, so it is what it is, and we've just gotta keep on keeping on. Thank you. My husband came to drop off some Dayquil. Yeah, my husband's also sick, so that was a great turn of events. Wow, those are big. I don't know, I feel kind of awkward because for so long I feel like I've been doing stuff and worrying and stressing, and now it's like the day of and I really don't have anything to stress about anymore. It's like now we just gotta do the damn thing. Ever since I was a little kid, like, because I was in such a chaotic household and environment, when I was little and I didn't have anything to stress about, I literally would think to myself, what should I worry about right now? So it's very much a cycle I need to break and a habit that I need to get out of, is just always feeling like there's something to worry about. And when I don't worry about something, it feels like there's got to be something I'm forgetting about, you know? Like, there's got to be something that I should be stressing about that I can't remember, and that's why I'm peaceful right now. I've waited for this moment for so long that I'm just now at a loss for words. Like, I don't know what to think or what to feel. I'm just ready for it. Or both the cars are packed up. Oh, it looks so blue because of the thing. Anyways, one of my favorite memories, even though it ended up being sad, is when I found out that my first management team wanted to sign me. And I was like, I'm gonna be famous! I'm gonna be rich and famous! That didn't end up but the first moment, that was really exciting. What's your favorite moment in this apartment?
In this apartment?
Mm-hmm.
My first 15-minute drive to work.
Oh, yeah.
Instead of an hour and a half. It may not be my favorite, but it's up there.
Yeah.
That was a life changer.
You're like, wow, we did something.
Not falling asleep on the way home from work. Finding out we were moving back to California. That was a big moment. Okay,
everything is cleared out. We are finally leaving. Oh my god, it's so echoey. Everything's empty. I know I just did a house tour, but now it's empty, like fully empty. We've got the closet, bathroom, cheddar. He's making sure that I don't leave him behind. So this has been our view the whole time, which has been super nice. With the parking lot, not so nice, but you know, still really, really pretty. We've had these views. It's been incredible. super nice. But now it's time for a new chapter. Say bye. Bye, boys. We are, oh my god, the lighting is terrible, but we are officially en route, sir. We are officially en route to California. We are about 2.5-ish hours into a road trip. And I'm listening to a little bit of a book. I think it's 101 essays that'll change the way you think or something. And also my favorite murder. Because I have ADHD, I do need to change. And like, I'm very much, I drive the speed limit and people just want to pass me left and right. So that's amazing. Cheddar's here. Hi, Cheddar. How you doing, Dad? The views are exactly 0. There's no views. So we will check in when life gets more interesting. Sweet old husband just pumped my gas and is now cleaning my shield. We came to the gas station and got an energy drink. I got a Ghost Sour Patch flavor, probably one of the best, if I must say. I also got a little snacky. And we're about to head on to the road again. I think we have another 7 hours before we get to where we need to get to. I'm about to get real comfy here. I think the best part of any road trip is usually the snacks, but we've already been eating bad for like a week and a half, 2 weeks. So I'm kind of over junk food at this point, but Better, how are you doing? Oh my god, okay, good morning everybody. I look crazy. My skin is dry as the Sahara Desert. We actually ended up stopping in Las Cruces at a hotel, thankfully, because I was getting tired. We stopped at like midnight, and of course we had our room backed up to party animals, but I still fell asleep. I was so tired, and we woke up and now it's 7 o'clock and we are just headed out. I really need coffee. Let's see what the husband thinks. Okay, so we just got into the new apartment in California. I don't want to show too much, but my husband is unpacking and the boys are in the crate. I'm trying to be quiet because I don't know how thin these walls are. But guys, it's stunning, like stunning. I want to do like an empty apartment tour tomorrow morning when there's light and stuff, because we came in just now. But of course I already had packages, but I want to do the packages first. So first package, oh my god, she sent a couple things. Stop it. Rad Ruby has a clothing brand, and it's so cute. Heather, hope you love these items as much as we love you. XOXO Ruby. If you want 15% off your order, use that code, but it is from Shop So Ready. And I was like, oh my god, your sweater's so cute. And she's like, girl, let me send you this. So super sweet. I'm definitely gonna wear it tomorrow at the beach. I think that would be so cute. Oh my god, so cute. Are you kidding me? So cute. Bless you for doing the Lord's work. Wait, I can come home. No. Okay. Neat, okay.
I've reached the traveling breaking point, and if I hear them start to bark, like, I'm gonna throw them off the balcony.
Look how cute this top is. Oh my god. It's like the perfect Pilates princess pink. I'm so excited. This cute little cardigan. Oh my god, she thinks I'm skinny. So up my alley. I need to send her a message right now because she is so sweet. Oh, wow, she really sent me a full care package. I'm kind of trying to be mysterious and like get my ounce whistles right now. But when I come back, I'm gonna be sharing this package with the girlies. Shut up right now. I want this skirt. Oh, she really thinks I'm skinty. Little did she know that I've been eating. Stress eating. Anyways, thank you so much, Miss Ruby. Te lo aprecio. And we also got a package for milk. I always feel like analysis paralysis when I first move somewhere because I'm like, I want everything to be so perfectly organized, but I also at the same time want everything out of the way. So that's always great, but so far I'm just kind of putting things in the rooms, not really worrying about organizing. I really would like to shower. One of the first orders of business is going to be getting candles and air fresheners because it definitely smells like the previous person and it's just very fragrant, if you catch my drift. Like, you know, we love that for them, but for us it's just a little strong, yeah. If you guys, hello. If you guys saw the apartment tour, you know that we made the master my office and the second our bedroom because realistically we don't really have a ton of stuff that we need to put away in the bedroom. So I guess this air mattress will be a test of like seeing how big the space actually is. So, mattress actually was so clutch. We have to thank our in-laws or my in-laws for that because they really killed it with that one. Now I'm gonna set up the bed. Our first Target run as Californians again. This lamp is so cute. This ottoman is so slay. We're only here to buy one towel though because we gotta go eat. Oh my god, so many things. Where are the towels?
I don't know.
Oh, over here, this way.
I feel like I'm about to walk.
I think we're gonna go for some in and out, but there's just too many things to distract me. We should get, not now.
Later, you know what I mean?
Oh, cute. Dashboard stuff. Okay. Okay, I'm coming back for you. That's stunning. Should we get bathrobes?
I have one.
Do you?
I sure do. I packed it and brought it with me.
Oh, you did?
Yep.
I'll have to get one from IKEA. That's where I got yours. Oh, we should get a bath mat. We don't have a bath mat. Slay. This one's cute. It looks like a little Sherpa rug, but it's a bath towel.
There you go.
Black towel. That's not a towel.
Those aren't normal towels.
Ah, here it is. Perfect. Great.
It's headed somewhere.
Yes, I do actually.
It's getting good. I like lavender. I'm gonna try that.
That one smells bad.
If it smells bad,
Cashmere. Ooh, that one's good.
perfect. Let's do it. We'll check it out.
Yay! First, we came back. We also had In-N-Out, which we already ate because we were starving. But we got a couple things. We got this bath mat that looks like a little Sherpa. Super cute. One singular towel and a candle. About to shower. Gotta stock up the bathroom. I haven't been able to use my favorite, oh my god, don't be. My favorite shampoo and conditioner because I have been packed up super early, but essentials. And we've got the shower gel. Winter Candy Apple. I feel like this is a good opportunity to make it like super cute, but okay. This is the rug. I think I'm gonna light the candle. This is the candle we got. It's the cashmere persimmon. And normally you'd want to snip that, but so cute. I love how clean the countertops are. That was our moving vlog, moving day, and first night in the new apartment. The next video will be an empty apartment tour, and you know, obviously the coming vlogs will be about us getting settled in and finding a routine. It's just been crazy. We've been eating out nonstop and I'm tired of it. So yeah, stay tuned. Lots of exciting content, and yeah, I'm so excited. I'm so happy to be here. Anyways, love you guys. Bye.